Hello, friends! Have you ever blown up a balloon and then let it go? What happened to the balloon? My balloon flew all over the room. What do you think makes it go? Today we're going to be engineers and build a boat that uses a balloon to make it go. I found some things around my house that I can use to build my boat. Think about what you want to use to build your boat. I used 2 empty water bottles with lids, a straw, a balloon, and some duct tape. Watch this video about how I made my balloon boat. Now it's your turn to build a boat. What will you use to build your balloon boat?